Hey, Tech Tribe! Welcome back to the channel where we make your tech life a breeze. Today, we're diving into something a bit different. Ever wondered if there's a web hosting service that's not just reliable but actually cool? Well, hold onto your keyboards because we're talking about Cloudways. Now, Cloudways isn't your typical web host. It's like the Swiss Army knife of hosting. Instead of using their own servers, they let you choose from top cloud providers like Google Cloud, Linode, AWS, Vultr, and DigitalOcean. Yup, you heard that right, options galore. So, what makes Cloudways stand out? Let's break it down with some pros and cons, shall we? Pros first. Affordability. You get great performance without breaking the bank. WordPress tools. They've got staging, backups, and optimization plugins covered. Unlimited websites. No restrictions here, folks. And uptime? We're talking excellent reliability so your content is always live. Plus, they offer a free test drive with 3 of their plans. And now, the cons. Well, they don't offer domain registration and there's an extra fee for email hosting. But hey, nobody's perfect. Alright, let's talk about usability. Cloudways makes it super easy with a clean, user-friendly interface. Tons of resources like case studies, a knowledge base, a blog, and a user group are at your fingertips. And if you get stuck, their 24/7 customer support has got your back. Seriously, even your grandma could navigate this. Speaking of features, buckle up. Cloudways offers blazing speeds, over 99% uptime, and super fast page loads. One-click settings make server setup a breeze. Plus, enhanced security features like a web application firewall keep your site safe. They even throw in enterprise-grade goodies like image optimization and Brotli compression. Hello? Cloudways support? Oh, it's you, awesome 24/7 support team. Yup, they offer live chat, ticket-based systems, and even premium support with a private Slack channel and phone access. Fancy, right? Quick intermission. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and reviews. And hey, why not try Cloudways yourself? The link's in the description. Get your free trial and see the magic. Let's talk moolah. Cloudways offers both standard and premium packages with flexible hourly and monthly billing. Here's a quick rundown. With these flexible plans, you can tailor your hosting to fit your needs and budget. It's like having a custom suit but for your website. So, is Cloudways the ultimate hosting solution for your business? If you're looking for affordability, reliability, and a ton of features, the answer is a resounding yes. Small businesses, high traffic sites, or even larger enterprises, there's something here for everyone. Ready to give Cloudways a spin? Click the link below to start your free trial and see for yourself why Cloudways might just be your new best friend in web hosting. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep it techie.